let's write the code to verify waits and timeouts in robot frameworks. So first upon all, go to the websites. So we'll use testautomationpractice.blogspot.com. So here we'll enter something in this name, then email, then we'll check this mail radio button, then checkbox Sunday. You can select any checkbox here. Then we'll go for countries. We select any one countries. Then we need to select any colors, means this list, so we can select any. So let's go to the PyCharm. This is our simple use case. So let's try to create new robot file. So click on your directory, right click on directory, new file, and you can give the name as weights verification, or we can say Selenium speed test dot robot. So here I have already created this file. So let understand the code. So each code consists on four sections: settings, variables, test cases, and keywords. But this code we use setting and test cases. So let's try to write the code. So setting is used to import the libraries. So here we are using the Selenium library. So library, Selenium library. Then go to second section, which is test cases. So we can give any name to our test case. So we use speed test because before executing test cases, we will calculate or log our Selenium speed. Then after execution, we calculate speed, log to console, and then we will see the difference between initial speed and final speed. So this the simple use case using applying times or setting the Selenium speed. So waits. So this is our test case name, speed test. So now we can get the current Selenium speed by the commands get Selenium speed. So this command retrieve the speed of current. Then we can store it in the variable speed. You can give any name. So dollars in curly brackets, we can give the name speed. So now we calculated speed or capture the speed at this moment before launching our browsers and all those things. Then log to console. So then whatever the Selenium speed, it will be get logged. At this point the speed will be 0 because we are not opening the browser or maximizing the browsers. So now go to open the browsers. So here we know the URLs, paste it here, testautomationpractice.blogspot.com. so simple command, open browser, give your URLs and in which browsers, Chrome. Then the next command is maximize a browser window. So this our initial setup or initial code. After maximizing the window, now we will set Selenium speed. So set the speed to 3 seconds. So here set Selenium speed, we can use the command simple set Selenium speed 3 seconds. So if you are set this set Selenium speed to complete code from here, after it will apply to each line of the codes, it will be given 3 seconds. If you not used any set Selenium speed, then you can give directly sleep and any seconds, but it will be applied only this next line only. So we'll set up set Selenium speed to 3 seconds. So now input. So we'll go to our website here. This is our text box. So we'll enter. So right click and inspect. So here you can directly see here as a id name present, or you can directly right click and copy xpath. But we can write the uh, expression also. We have id, so id colon name. Same for email. So here also, to email, click on this email, you will get same things, right? So here also id is present. So go to your browsers, write the expression id email, and we want to enter suraj@gmail.com. So these about the text boxes. So input text, give the expression, and we're not using variables here. If we use the variables, then we need to define this in before test cases. Then only input text and variables name and whatever the values. So there's this about the text boxes. Now we can see for radio buttons. So go to websites again. Here we can see mail is the radio button. So take your cursor to this mail. You can find here name, gender, value, mail. So we can write copy xpath directly, click element and this xpath colon spaced complete xpath here. Then we'll go for checkboxes. So we will select one checkbox and unselect. So go to checkboxes here. So not the checkboxes. So first upon all, we'll go for checkboxes. Okay, then we'll go for drop downs. So here's Sunday is it is present in checkbox, right? So drop down, at last we'll go for drop downs. So before this, let's go here. Only we are selecting Sunday and unselecting Sunday. So that's about those. It is select and unselect. Then select from list by label. So go to drop down. So here you can see drop down. This Canada is present. This label we have directly. So go to PyCharm and select from list by label, drop down ID, country, and we need to from label Canada. ID is present, label is present, we can select directly. So this is about the drop down. This about the drop down. Then we can select checkbox also, ID colors blue. So go to websites here, from colors, it's a normal checkbox, we can select by same way. So checkbox is also selected. Then we are going to close this browser, and again we use get Selenium speed here. This is our curly speed variables. Here at last we will capture this and then log to console. So here we will get the output we will get this value. So this is the complete code for checking the speed test of Selenium by using the command set Selenium speed to your complete code. So go to, now we will run this code. So we go to terminal, use the command robot automation /test _ speed test .robot, click on enter. So now we can see one by one our speed test 0 seconds. First initially the log, it will log there, opening the browser. After opening, it will be maximized. So you can see our browser is maximized. Then in name it will enter So we given 3 seconds delay, so it will enter Suraj, the name. Then after 3 seconds it will enter email as well. So this 3 second is applied to all elements. So first is the name, then email, you will get suraj@gmail.com. So after that, after 3 seconds, next action will be get performed. So next is the radio button. So here mail radio button is selected. Then it will take 3 seconds and go for next executions. So we can see here from days it is selecting Sunday, then after 3 seconds it will unselect Sunday. Yes, it is it takes some time. So speed, it affects the speed. It's unselected. Okay, then it will go down and select colors. It is going down now. It's tech or due to speed lag, or it's depend on the internet speed. If it is not working, if your internet speed is not so good, then also it will take couple of times to perform all those actions. Here it now the country is selected. After selecting the country, it will select one colors after 3 seconds. Selected my label country, then in colors you can see it will select one colors whichever we given the label. So it selected blue, so you given the blue, so it is selected. So our test case completed successfully. We can see initial speed is 0 second. After closing the browser we will get speed to console. So here 0 seconds is initial speed, final speed is 3 seconds. Our test, one passed. So here we get the output, log and report. Here you can simplify log, output and report. So you can click on this report, you will get the report file. Here we can see a report file is generated. So status, all status passed, start time, end time, elapsed time, log file also is there. You get the statistics, test details. Then here log file, can you open the log files? We can see total how many test cases pass, fail, skip. Then if we want to in detail all our commands or keywords, we can see speed, the full name, start and end times here mentioned. Then first activity, get Selenium speed, then log to console speed, then opening the browser, maximize browser window, get Selenium speed, then input text, click element, check, select checkbox, unselect checkbox, then select from list by label, select from list by label, close browser, get Selenium speed, log to console. So as this way we have seen our test case, simple test case, and we verified Selenium speed also. So if we give the set Selenium, if you use the set Selenium speed commands to particular seconds, it will apply to your overall code. So this about the waits and timeouts part 1. So in upcoming lectures we'll see the details other waits and timeouts commands or different waits and timeouts types as well. So this all about the calculating Selenium speed in your code.